Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to publish multiple products from the draft. For example, if you have got some products and that are available in draft and they are not published. So here you can see currently I have 16 products. So now if you want to publish these products one by one, then it can take a lot of time. So simply you can use this one bulk feature. First of all, select all the products, then bulk actions, click on edit button, then click on apply button, scroll down, and here you can find out the product status, this one. So these are the four options: published, private, pending, draft. So simply you can go here and click on published, then scroll down and click on update button. In this way you can easily publish your draft products and you can save a lot of time. So here you can see there is nothing in draft.